In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get current user details using Power Automate. Power Automate, part of the Microsoft 365 suite, is a powerful tool that allows users to automate workflows between various applications and services. Today, we will be focusing on how you can easily gather user details by leveraging Power Automate's capabilities. First off, you'll want to create a new flow. Begin by navigating over to the Power Automate platform and signing in with your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options, but for this task, we need to create a new flow. Click on the Create button, which will present several options for different types of flows. For our purposes today, you should choose the Instant Cloud Flow. This option is perfect for tasks when you want to get started immediately and don't require a scheduled or triggered event from another application. Now, give your flow a meaningful name. This will help you organize and identify your flows easily later on, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Once you've settled on a name, it's time to select a trigger. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Manually Trigger a Flow option. This is great when you want to test out the flow manually without relying on external events or conditions to start it. Next, we'll add the action that does the real work of retrieving user information. Click on New Step to get started. In the action search bar, type Office 365 Users. This will show a list of available actions related to Office 365. Look for the action labeled Get My Profile V2 and select it. This action is designed to obtain information about the current user, which is precisely what we need. The action Get My Profile V2 conveniently has a field called User UPN that will automatically fill itself with the current user's email address. No need to alter that field unless you have a specific requirement, as it's best to leave it as is. To customize what information you want to retrieve, find the Select Fields field. Here, you can input a comma-separated list of the properties you'd like to gather about the user. For instance, you might include details such as mail, display name, department, and job title. This flexibility allows you to tailor the output to suit your workflow's needs. Once you've configured the action, it's time to make use of your retrieved information. The output from the Get My Profile V2 action contains all the user details you specified. You can then reference these details in any steps or actions that follow within your flow. This could be used to personalize emails, log information, or even trigger further automation processes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a flow in Power Automate to gather and utilize current user details. This method is both efficient and effective for automating tasks based around user information within your organization. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow process using Power Automate.